We finally made it! It's beautiful here! Quick, let's set up the tent! I brought snacks. I just finished the last peg, and the frame is finally up! It looks so cozy in here! I think it's finally golden brown. Careful, don't let it drop in the fire. It smells delicious from here. These marshmallows are perfectly toasted. The corn is almost ready too. And the potatoes smell amazing. This marshmallow is perfect. Look at that cluster over there. The Milky Way is so clear tonight. And then I realized I was wearing my hoodie inside out the entire time. It was so embarrassing, but funny. This is so cozy. I love these strawberries. My orange is being very cooperative. Want some grapes? I love these apple slices. The fire feels so nice and I'm getting sleepy. Look at the stars, everyone.
Good night, sweet dreams.